Yung sunod niya guys, ni grilled. Ano yan? Belly. So, belly yung i-grilled niya guys. Look at guys. Ayan. Ayan. So, pork belly. Ayan. So, ano may mix mo? Bago mo yun. Anong procedure na ginawa mo sa belly?
Steam ito guys. Yung...
I-steam mo for how many minutes?
30 minutes steam.
30 minutes steam. 30 minutes na steam. Ayan.
Lagyan ng bawang, mga paminta guys.
So, steam niya for 30 minutes guys. Nilagyan niya ng
Paminta.
bawang at saka paminta. Ahos. Ayan. So, napakasarap guys, no? Kasi, ni-steam niya muna guys bago niya i-grilled yung pork. Ayan. Malapit na siya maluto guys. Ayan. Luto na yung pork. Grilled
pork belly.
Grilled pork belly guys. Ayan na guys. So, grabe yung usok guys. Ayan. Luto na ang grilled pork belly. Kainan na mamaya guys. Siguro masarap to guys. Kasi steam niya muna guys. Ayan. Bino? May have? Ayan na guys. Alright.